This happens to be one of our scroll panels, and these work really wonderfully. However, there's time to time we have noticed, due to the gravity and the way the angle is mounted, the fabric may scoot down, and this will leave the wire exposed on the back, and you will notice that it's kind of scooped down. So in order to avoid this, we are providing you with this tip. All you have to do is just simply, before going ahead and putting these on there is a drapery hook that comes with your drapery package. All you have to do is just simply put it at the bottom of the pocket, put the wire back in the wire stud, and then just simply rest this over the wire stud. Then you can go ahead and put the knot back on there, and this will keep it in place. So once you have done that, now this will avoid having the fabric moving down. As you can see, I'm pulling on it and it's no longer moving, so it will keep it really a nice and uniform look. So I hope this has been a helpful tip. For those of you who are watching this video, please go ahead and subscribe to us for further videos, and make sure you visit our website at idesignmydrapes.com. And thank you for watching.